Hi, I'm Wayne from BWC Publishing. Today we're going to cook up a dish I cook often for myself when my wife's not here. I call it mac and cheese dogs. We're going to get one of the Velveeta cheese shells, the originals here. We're going to use some hot dogs. We'll cook them together and make a little meal. I'll show you how we do it. Okay, first thing we're going to do is we have to bring the water to a boil. That's what it says on the package. Just follow the directions on the package. It says you cook them for, I think it's 12 minutes, 8 to 10 minutes, something like that. So with about 3 minutes left on the timer, we're going to put some hot dog weenies in it. And they'll cook up and we'll be ready to go. As soon as the water boils, we'll start cooking. Okay, you see our water's boiling now. We're ready to put the macaroni in. So we'll open the box up. We have to take the cheese package out of it, like so. Set it aside. Pour our macaroni in. Alright. And it says stir it occasionally so it don't stick to the bottom, so we'll do that. Okay, we're going to cook it for 10 minutes. At 8 minutes, we're going to put the weenies in. Okay, let's do a little stirring now. We don't want this getting stuck to the pan. Be careful, don't splash any of that water out there. It is hot. Okay, I'm going to cut the weenies up. I like to cut them in pieces sometimes like this. That way they're easier to cook. You can cook them just the whole weenie if you want to. That's up to you. I'm cutting them up. There they go. They're ready to put in as soon as the timer's ready. Okay, let's stir it a little bit more. Don't want it sticking in there. Okay, we're going to stir it again. We're about ready to put the weenies in. Okay. You see I've already cut them up here. It's up to you. You don't have to cut them up if you don't want to, but I do. There they go. The weenies are in. Alright. Got about a little over 2.5 minutes left. That'll cook the weenies good. Okay, we have about 1.5 minutes left. I'm going to stir it a little bit so it doesn't stick here in this last minute. We're almost ready to eat. About 30 seconds left. There's your alarm. Alright, let's go drain it. Okay, there's our strainer. We're going to pour it into and get all the water out of it. Very, very hot and steamy. Okay, let's pour it back in the pan now. Okay, we're ready to mix the cheese in. Here is your pack of cheese. Squeeze it off in there. I like this Velveeta much better than I do the powders. Okay, there's all of it. Let's stir it up now. Remember, this is hot. You can see the weenies in there. Our little hot dogs. That's why I call it mac and cheese dogs. Okay, it's ready to go. Here we go. Get us a little bit started right there. Let it cool off just a little bit. Wow, this looks good. I'm ready to eat. Are you ready? Alright, let's eat it. That's good. Okay, we have more things to cook. We're going to make some corn dogs, homemade corn dogs, probably tomorrow. Stay with us. We'll get it up here. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.